In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wi-Fi to Gree air conditioner. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Gree AC, you can connect it to Wi-Fi. Of course, as long as it has Wi-Fi capabilities, you will be able to set it up and control it through the app. So you will need to download a specific application to get this done. This application is called Gree Plus, and you can find it available on the Play Store or the App Store. So if you are on Android, open the Google Play Store and look for Gree Plus. And if you are on iOS, open the App Store and look for Gree Plus. Once you have the app downloaded, it is going to look somewhat like this. You might be prompted to sign up, so if needed, create an account. Once you have your email or username set up alongside a password, you will be able to tap the plus sign in the home screen to add a new device. So tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen or choose the option to add a new device elsewhere. Now you have to select AC. If you have a different type of AC, such as a commercial one, portable one, window AC, and so on, just choose them accordingly. For this video, I'm going to assume that most people have a standard home AC like this one. Once you tap this option, you will get instructions on how to add your appliances manually. You might also be prompted to enable Bluetooth on your device. If it is not already enabled, go over to the settings and turn on Bluetooth. With this done, as you can see, you will have to press the mode and the Wi-Fi buttons simultaneously through your remote. So for most remotes, you will have the mode and the Wi-Fi button. If your particular remote doesn't have the Wi-Fi button, it could indicate that it doesn't have Wi-Fi capabilities. Check the manual if you are ever unsure. So press both of these buttons simultaneously and point it towards the AC. With this done, it should proceed forward on its own, and it's going to ask you to choose a Wi-Fi network. So now you just choose your home network, and the Wi-Fi setup will be done. You will be able to find it on the home screen of the Gree Plus app. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.